To integrate Reckon and PaySauce together so payroll details can be exported to Reckon, follow these steps. First, we'll check how to set this up for Reckon Accounts desktop version. Go up to File on the top menu. Select Utilities, Export, Lists to IIF files. Check Payroll Items, Chart of Accounts, Customer List, Employee List, and Class List. Then select OK. Give it a file name, just call it the name of the company, and click Save. And OK. After you've retrieved the sample file by downloading it from your Access Now area, you're ready to import it into PaySauce. Log in to your Reckon Customers Bureau and select the name of the company. Click on the Import area at the top on the right. Locate your file and drag the IIF file up and drop it on the Upload panel here. Click the Import button. Once the staff are imported, click on Settings at the top menu and then select Invoices. Choose Yes to send the invoice and select Reckon Accounts. Click on the Import Codes button and drag and drop the IIF file up onto the Import panel. So this will import the ledger codes from Reckon. Make sure the type is simple and you'll be able to select the correct codes that you've downloaded from Reckon for all the different account types. Now we'll look at how to integrate Reckon Accounts with PaySauce via API. This is only available to Reckon Accounts hosted users. First, go up to the File button on the top left-hand corner and select Switch to Multi-User Mode. It'll take a few seconds for this to take effect. Now we're going to set up a new user. Go up to Company at the top menu and choose Users, Set up Users and Roles. Enter your password to log in and next choose New in the user list. Set up a new name and a password. Make sure that you select Full Access for this option and click Add. Now select OK and close. Once you've set up your username and password, go back to PaySauce. Select Settings from the top menu and click on Integration. Choose Reckon Accounts on the right and select Connect to Reckon Accounts Hosted. Enter your Reckon user ID and password. On the next screen, check all the permissions are ticked on and click Yes, Allow at the bottom. Now you'll return back to PaySauce. Now select the user file and then enter your newly created username and password. Then click the Confirm button. Click Tag Sets on the menu and you'll see that all of the class codes and general ledger codes have been downloaded from Reckon already. Now select Templates and click the Add Template button on the top right. Enter a name for the template and choose Costing. Select the items that you're going to be costing with and tick these on as well. Then click OK. The next step is to set up the invoice. Click on Invoices in the Settings menu. Make sure that the invoice is set to Yes and that you're selecting Reckon Accounts in the accounting software. Under Type, make sure it says Templates and then select the name of the template that you're using. Underneath that, you'll see that the mapping will start to appear and you can make changes from here. At the moment we have it tracking with the class code and mapping to class, and the second tracking code is the customer's job, mapping to the customer's job. And you can set up the general ledger costing as well further down. If you need to refresh the codes from Reckon, click the Refresh Codes button. and make sure you save any changes made at the top of the screen. Now, every time the pay is processed in PaySauce, the information about the pay will automatically go through to Reckon. You can see the result here in the history area. If you select the date at the top of the screen, which is the last pay, click on Costing on the right-hand side, and you can see all the details here. To see a detailed CSV report, click the down arrow and choose Detail.